I'm just gonna put my oil in my hands later because you don't want oil when you put the nail polish. So my feet I already cleaned up, but I decided if I wanna just no nail polish so that because right now I have a hard time bending my leg and when I clean up the thing, my leg is kinda sore. But I clean up and I carried my nails, my toenails and stuff. But I just don't know if I want to nail polish because I wanna put Vaseline and wrap my feet in a sack because dried up my my heels, like my feet had dry skin. So I wanna wrap with so I don't know. We'll see first if I need to nail polish or not. See you later.